G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. My name is Matthew and thanks so much for visiting howtoplaythesax.com. Now in today's lesson, quickly I wanted to show you another note on the saxophone, and today's action-packed note is B flat. That's bravo flat, sometimes known as A sharp, alpha sharp, the letter A. Slightly higher is the sharp, B, bravo, letter B, flat. Now, there are 3 B flats on our saxophone. The first one I will show you on your left hand. You will have the first finger, the second finger, and then here on the side with your right hand, this bottom key. You hit it with the side of your hand. So remembering we've got 2 keys here and we add the bottom one. We use these other ones in different notes, but this one here on the bottom of those 3 keys. So an A sharp, a B flat sounds like this. There we go. A sharp, B flat. Now, that's the first one. The second one, same fingering, still 2 fingers, 1, 2, still with the side key, the bottom of the side keys, but we are adding in the register key, adding in the octave key. So it will be a higher B flat, a higher A sharp. Here it is. It sounds like this. Take my thumb off, lower the middle B flat, add in the thumb. Now, our third B flat is actually the lowest note on the saxophone that you can possibly play. On an alto anyway. So, low B flat. This is a little bit tricky if you're just beginning, so may I suggest swallow a bowling ball. Here is a virtual bowling ball. Put that in your mouth, but don't actually swallow it. Hold it in your throat. Note, real bowling balls are fatal and harmful to your health. This is a pretend bowling ball. Do not eat a real bowling ball. Pretend bowling ball, put it in your throat, hold it in your throat. That will expand your throat and allow a bit more air in to hit our low note, our low B flat, our low A sharp. So, how do we play that? Well, on our left hand, 1, 2, 3, all 3 keys, all 3 of the main keys on our left hand. On our right hand, also 3 of the main keys, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On our right hand as well, we add in this guy, this pinky, the bottom of the 2 pinky keys. This guy we are adding in. We've still got our 3 fingers here, still got our pinky here, still got our 3 fingers here, and we are also adding in the bottom key. So pretty much we've got 4 fingers on our left hand. First key, second key, third key, plus our pinky on the bottom of those 4 pinky keys. Plus as well, we have also got 1, 2, 3, and the bottom one of those 2. So basically we've got all fingers used here at this point. No register key at the bottom, at the back. Okay, and the low B flat, the low A sharp, sounds like this. So remember, if it wobbles, if it feels a bit weird, try and open your throat and push through a lot of air. So, recapping, 3 B flats, 3 A sharps on our saxophone. First one, the lowest, all fingers, all pinkies, the lowest possible pinkies. Here we go, you ready? Low. Then we've got the middle one. We've got 2 fingers and this bottom guy. And then we simply add the register key and there is our high one. 2 fingers, side key, add the register key with the thumb at the back. And there you go. That is a B flat. That is an A sharp. Thank you for visiting howtoplaythesax.com, and I'll see you in another lesson. Thanks.